Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Miro boards, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you embed Miro board with HTML? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, a real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to embed your Miro board as HTML anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running websites, you know that presenting your Miro boards on your website can help drive home a point, especially since it gives a visual perspective of whatever your project is. Whatever the case is, first you do need to get the HTML code for your Miro board. After that, once you have the embed code, you can send it off to your developer and implement it into your WordPress website or your Wix website. Whatever the case is, it's pretty easy process is handled here in your Miro dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Miro dashboard and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to get the HTML embed code for your Miro board, first you want to scroll through until you find the board that you want to share. So for example, this one right here, and just click on the board. Okay, once you do that, it's going to show an image of your Miro board. You can see mine right here. Now, the cool thing about embedding your Miro board as an HTML is anytime you make changes on the board itself here in your Miro account, it's going to update on whatever website that you embed this into. So in order to get that code, what you're going to do is up here on the top, you're going to see this kind of upward arrow. Once you hover over it, it says export this board. Go ahead and click on there. Once you click there, you will see a drop-down menu and you want to look for this button here called embed. Okay, so once you click there, you will see the HTML embed code right down here. So all you're going to do is click on copy embed code. And then once you do that, it's copied to your clipboard. So you can easily go ahead and email that over to your web developer, or you can simply paste it directly into your website wherever you can go ahead and paste or embed HTML code. So that's going to be a little bit different depending on if you use WordPress or Wix or something else. But once you embed this code into your website, your Miro board will show up exactly as you have it set up right here. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to embed the HTML code for your Miro board, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.